Welcome to Profit Potential. As we approach the end of 2024, it's time to set ourselves up for success in 2025. Whether you want to enhance your career, improve your finances, or grow personally, effective goal setting is key. In this video, we'll explore how to set meaningful goals, break them down into actionable steps, and build accountability to ensure you stay on track. Let's dive in and make 2025 your best year yet. Reflect on 2024, the year in review. Before diving into 2025, let's take a moment to reflect on 2024. Reflection is a powerful tool for learning and growth. Consider these questions as you evaluate your past year. What goals did I set for 2024? Look back at the goals you aim to achieve. Did you accomplish them? If so, what contributed to your success? If not, what were the barriers? What were my biggest wins? Celebrate your successes no matter how small. Did you pay off debt, start a new job, or improve a skill? Recognizing these victories helps build confidence for the coming year. The power of SMART goals. The key to goal setting is clarity, and that's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific. Make your goals clear and detailed. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, set a target like, I want to save $10,000 by December 2025. Measurable. Ensure you can track your progress. Break down your goal into smaller, measurable milestones. Achievable. Your goal should challenge you but still be attainable. Relevant. Align your goals with your larger life objectives. Time-bound. Set a clear deadline like 1 year so you stay motivated and on track. Building a system of accountability. One of the biggest reasons people fail to achieve their goals is a lack of accountability. To combat this, you should create a system to keep yourself accountable. Here are some strategies. Share your goals. Tell a friend, family member, or mentor about your goals for 2025. This adds an element of responsibility, as you'll want to update them on your progress. You might even find someone who shares similar goals, creating a mutual support system. Use technology. Utilize apps and tools designed for tracking goals and progress. Tools like Trello, Notion, or even simple spreadsheets can help you stay organized and visualize your journey. You can set reminders and alerts to keep yourself on track. Set regular check-ins. Establish monthly or quarterly reviews to assess your progress. Use these check-ins to evaluate what's working, celebrate your achievements, and identify areas that need improvement. Get an accountability partner. Find someone who will check in on your progress regularly. This could be a friend or colleague who has similar goals. Schedule weekly or bi-weekly check-ins where you discuss your achievements and challenges. Having accountability structures in place significantly increases your chances of staying committed to your goals and maintaining momentum throughout the year. Embrace flexibility, the power of adaptability. No matter how well you plan, unexpected challenges will arise. Life is unpredictable, and flexibility is essential for long-term success. Here's how to stay adaptable. Adjust goals as needed. If circumstances change or you find that a goal isn't feasible, don't hesitate to adjust it. If you encounter financial difficulties that prevent you from saving as planned, modify your savings goal. Being flexible allows you to navigate obstacles without losing sight of your overall vision. Regularly evaluate your priorities. As the year progresses, your priorities may shift. Regularly evaluate whether your goals still align with your evolving objectives. If a new opportunity arises that better fits your long-term vision, consider pivoting your focus. Maintain a growth mindset. Adopt a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, view them as valuable learning experiences that can inform your future strategies. Be open to new possibilities. Sometimes the best opportunities come from unexpected places. Stay open to adjusting your path if a new direction aligns better with your goals. Embracing change can lead to exciting new avenues for success. Flexibility in your goal-setting approach ensures that you remain resilient in the face of change and continue moving toward your ultimate objectives. Celebrate your progress along the way. One of the most important aspects of goal setting is recognizing and celebrating your progress. It's easy to get caught up in the big picture and forget to acknowledge the small wins along the way. Here's how to make celebrating your achievements a regular practice. Set milestone rewards. For each milestone you achieve, reward yourself. This could be a small treat, a day off, or anything that feels like a reward for your hard work. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and reminds you that your efforts are paying off. Reflect on your journey. Take time to reflect on your progress regularly. Write in a journal or share updates with a friend. Discussing what you've accomplished reinforces your sense of achievement and helps maintain motivation. Create a success board. Visualize your accomplishments by creating a success board. Pin photos, quotes, and reminders of your goals and achievements. This serves as a constant reminder of how far you've come and what you're working toward. Stay positive and grateful. Cultivating a positive mindset is crucial. Focus on what you have achieved rather than what you haven't yet accomplished. Practicing gratitude for your efforts and progress boosts your motivation and keeps you in a success-oriented mindset. By celebrating your progress, you'll create a positive feedback loop that fuels your determination and commitment to achieving your goals. As we wrap up, remember that setting goals for 2025 is about more than just writing them down. It's about reflecting on your past, creating a clear plan, and staying accountable and flexible. Use the SMART framework to craft meaningful goals.